Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Doctor's Best High Absorption CoQ10 with BioPerine, gluten-free, naturally fermented, vegan, heart health, and energy production, 200 mg 60 veggie caps. Not recommended for people with gastric or esophageal issues. It says clearly that it contains black pepper extract. They come highly recommended by an ophthalmologist. Even though they are for the heart, they also help with eyes, especially if you have retinopathy. It is also important to take one with high absorption, and Doctor's Best is exactly that. Works great to lower blood pressure, especially if taking statins. Dropped mine 20 points, much more than the prescription did. There are a lot of options on the market, but this one seems to rise above the rest. He never wants to take supplements, but he has heard enough about CoQ10 to believes in the need for it. Can't say that it makes me feel any different as in any increase in energy as some others have claimed. Would probably need a before and after visit to a heart specialist to know if CoQ10 really makes a difference. I've tried a couple of Doctor's Best products. They do seem to be as advertised. These are supposed to be high absorption, and the recommended dosage by most sites I've checked is 200 mg daily. We've taken this brand for about a month for heart health, and no cardiac issues so far. Really, how can one tell if something like this is working, or not? Price is right, anyhow. If you are at middle age, or beyond, this is a great product to help keep your energy up, and your body in better condition. It almost feels like the capsules open all at once, and it is too much. They speed up the healing process, along with dabbing some milk of magnesia on the sores. A great and effective product in the help of heart health, assured quality, and consistent and safe product. A little higher priced product, but laboratory says no BS, and is amongst top 10 listed CoQ10 products according to a website's rankings. Many of the other brands make it sound like their product better, and this one has all the best in it for much less. They're fine in comparison to other brands except for the capsule size. These are really large. CoQ10 has many functions in the body. A well-known function is in mitochondrial energy production. Mitochondrial DNA is very fragile, and lacks the molecular repair mechanisms that traditional cellular DNA has. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.